Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I am so thrilled to show you this recipe, and it is called mofongo. Now, this is a Puerto Rican classic and a Cuban classic. In Cuba, they call it fufu, made the same way. Absolutely divine, and I can't wait to get this started. Now, I'm gonna be stuffing my mofongo with some pork chunks that I have made in a previous video, which you should definitely take a look at that, because this and that will go perfect. Of course, mofongo, you can dress it up with anything. This goes great with any meat dish, seafood, you name it. It's absolutely out of this world, and it's very easy to prepare. Let's get started. Okay guys, now let's begin. The ingredients that you're gonna need to make mofongo is pretty simple. We're gonna need this right here, which is a green plantain, a savory, and it has peeled some already. We're going to use some fresh garlic. You can use light olive oil or corn oil will do, and some salt. And we're going to need a pilon to smash it up, but if you don't have a pilon, you can easily substitute it by making it in your food processor. As a matter of fact, you can make more in your food processor than you can do with a pilon. And then we're just going to need some oil to fry, and that's it. And then later on I will show you how to stuff it. So now let's begin. I'm just going to cut off the ends. Okay, after you finish cutting off the ends of your green plátano, we're just going to score it. Be careful. All the way down. Try not to go too deep. And from there, it helps you lift up the first layer of the skin, because this can get a little bit hard. Start peeling it with your hand. If you want, you can certainly use gloves to do this, because the sap that this banana has tends to darken your hands. Like it just throws out the sap that after a while your hands will become. You can avoid that by wearing gloves or just easily washing your hands with soap and water immediately. I want to cut this to large chunks, so we're going to do about that. So we're going to cut this in 3 portions. The reason why I do this, because when we make our mofongo, I don't want it to taste dry out. I want it to have a little bit of moisture in there, and cooking it this way will provide that. So cut into 3 large portions, and I'm going to show you. My stove's on a medium high, and I have some corn oil heating up right now. I'm going to be taking my green plantains and putting it right inside. So be careful that you don't burn yourself. And I'm not going to crowd my pan. So after 1 to 2 minutes, we're going to give it a turn. See how it looks slightly golden brown? It's like a yellow tone. That's exactly what you want. You want to make sure that this is cooked pretty well through. Okay guys, so these are ready to come out now and ready to be smashed, and I'm going to show you how that looks. We're going to smash these because these need to fry again for the second time. So I'm just using a regular plate. You can use whatever you have to smash them down, just by using one at a time. Apply a little pressure and it will smash up easily, just like that. And it's okay if it's like a big chunk. We're going to refry these again, and then I'm going to continuing on doing the next one. I'll see you right guys. So after finish frying up the first batch, now we're going to do the second frying. And after you squish them, you put them right back in the oil. It's okay if some of yours break apart. They're just going to be recooked and smashed up again. Nothing has to be perfect. And now I'm just waiting for these to get a nice light golden brown color, and I'm going to show you. At this point, we're going to start using our pilon. And like I said, if you don't have this, you can certainly use a food processor. And here's how it goes. We're going to take 1 garlic. We're going to put a little bit of salt, and we're going to put some oil. And now we're going to mash it. Mash it up until it looks like that. I mean, it's kind of chunky, and it will break down more once we put the bananas in here. Now, working quickly right out of the oil, you could place one banana in right now, and look. See how it's like golden brown? That's what we want. I cooked it like a minute or two each side. All you need is to cook your bananas a minute or two in each side, and then you put them in here and just start smashing it. You see, it's just, it looks like nothing now, but it will come together beautifully. And now I'm gonna put the other two in there. You see, my bologna is kind of big, so it holds a lot. If you have one of those small ones, obviously you can only work with but so much, but just smash, smash, smash away, and it's gonna come together beautifully. If you want, you can add just a wee bit more salt, and if you need to, a wee bit more of oil, just so it can come together. And if you want more garlic in there, then put some garlic in there. And then that's it. This is comes together really quick. I mean, it's really Alright, so after you finish smashing your bananas in here, you can put it in a separate bowl to make a nice little shape on it. So right now I want to make a nice little shape out of it, and I'm just gonna take this out, working quickly. Oh, look at that, nice. And I only use three guineas for this. So it's pretty hot. You want to work quickly, right? Leave a little center for some meat, and you can stuff it with whatever meat you want. This is the fried pork that I made, and then I'm going to make a little bit more of my guinea to put it right on top. Alright guys, I'm making the stuffed version, so I'm going to pour the rest of this on top, which is my second batch. And then after you put your meat in the middle, you just want to squish down so it can take the shape of your plate. And then take another plate, put it in the middle, tip it over, and there you have it. Mofongo, stuffed mofongo. Simple, delicious, and it just goes with anything. Here you go, my friends. Mofongo, simple and delicious, and it just tastes good with anything. So now let's do a taste test. Alright guys, it's taste test time, and I cannot wait for this. It smells incredibly good in here. You can smell the garlic. Oh my god, it's delicious. Can't wait to eat it. Guys, you need to try this. This is out of this world. Making it at home is easy, it's delicious, and you don't have to spend so much money going to the restaurants when you can just simply enjoy it in the comfort of your own home. Don't forget, my friends, that when you make this, this is a dish that you need to eat this right away. Mofongo doesn't really taste so well when you reheat it, so it's best if you prepare it and eat it right on the spot. So thank you so much guys for joining me today in my kitchen. You know it's always a pleasure of having you cook along with me. Make this. It's delicious. It pairs off beautifully with just about anything. Take care. Bye bye.